Hello and welcome to Asif Umer Science channel, where science becomes super fun and learning at the same time. I am Asif Umer and our today's activity is tablecloth trick, in which we are going to learn about inertia, tendency to do nothing or to remain unchanged. What we need: a tablecloth with no hem, plates, glasses, food coloring and water. Spread the tablecloth with one edge hanging off the table. We should practice by pulling the tablecloth as fast as we can straight down like this. Here I am using some plates, glasses and water for making some mess. A small amount of water, one more plate, one more glass, now pull down straight towards your toes. Newton's first law is also a law of inertia. An object at rest remains at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force.